I'm Hannah Perona, and I will be discussing the attributes of image tag, specifically SRC and alt. So, the image tag in HTML is used to embed images in a web page. So, images are not technically inserted into a web page. Images are linked to web pages. The image tag creates a holding space for the referenced image. So two of its most commonly used attributes are: first is src or source. This attribute specifies the path to the image file that you want to display. It can be a relative or absolute URL. The image format can be PNG, JPEG, GIF, etc. So the next one is alt or alternative text. This attribute provides alternative text for the image, which is displayed if the image cannot be loaded or for screen readers, improving accessibility. It is essential for SEO and for users with visual and impairments. So the the image here is the example of using the attributes src or source and the alt or alternative text. So take note that you always need to specify the width and height of an image. If width and height are not specified, the page might flicker while the image loads. So this is the end of my discussion. Thank you for listening.